How to find someone on Telegram by ID. So if you want to find someone on Telegram by ID, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, now you need to go with search, which is on the top right. And here you need to search for user info bot. And here what you need to do is just simply go with start, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Just simply go with /start and it will start. And after that, you need to just simply select a person's chat or the person's profile, or you can either forward their message. So for example, if I choose something like this message, tap and hold on to that message, go with forward, and then forward this message to user info bot. Once you forward it, then you will have the ID, the first and last name, the language, everything. So that's how you can find someone on Telegram by ID. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.